Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. In this video, we'll continue our chapter 1 and we do the exercises of this chapter. The name of the chapter is Computer Devices, Memory and Storage. First of all, you have to learn and write words to remember in your notebook. First one given to us is RAM. RAM means random access memory, holds data temporarily while a computer is working. Next is ROM. ROM is read-only memory. It contains instructions to operate a computer. It is a permanent memory. Next we are having primary memory. Primary memory is also called internal memory. It consists of RAM and ROM. Then we are having secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called external memory. It consists of hard disk, CD, DVD, USB flash drive, etc. Now we to answer the following questions. And the first question is, name two input devices and two output devices. This we have discussed many times in our previous videos. Input devices, example, keyboard, mouse. Output devices, examples are monitor and printer. Next question is, what is processing unit? So the answer is the CPU box is the processing unit of a computer where all calculations are done to get the desired output. Now come to question number 3. Name two types of memory. So the answer is two types of memory are primary memory and second is secondary memory. Our next question number 4 is, what is computer memory and how is it measured? So memory is a part of computer where data is stored, and computer memory is measured in byte. Question number 5 is, write a brief note on storage devices. So answer is, storage devices are used to store data. A computer uses CD, USB flash drive, DVDs, etc. for the storage of data. Our next question is multiple choice question. And the first question is, microphone is a dash device. So microphone is a input device. Second is, plotter is an dash device. So children, plotter is an output device. Now the third question is, dash is that memory, that part of a computer where data is stored. So memory is that part of computer where data is stored. Question number 5 is, dash MB make 1 gigabyte. And the answer is 1024 megabyte MB makes 1 gigabyte. Question number 5 is, RAM is a dash storage device. So RAM is a primary storage device. Our next question is, fill in the blanks. First filler given to us is pen drive is a portable device used to store data. Second filler is CPU contains ALU, MU and CU. Third filler is a calculator is an example of RAM. A calculator is an example of RAM. The primary memory is kept on silicon chips. The primary memory is kept on silicon chips. Fifth is hard drive is the most common secondary storage device. Hard drive is the most common secondary storage device. Children, you have to do all this work in your notebook.